So hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Jisa. I came back again after so many days. I was so busy about my studies things, then my health was also not that good, result books. So yeah, on today's video I am going to make a makeup look, Eid makeup look, because Eid is coming, so I thought to make a makeup look about that. And this makeup look will be going to very simple, very easy and very gorgeous. You will means this look is very light, but you will going to rock on this look. So yeah, on this video I will going to share a Eid makeup look. And if you like this kind of videos, then if you want to suggest me this kind of videos or more different kind of videos, then you can comment me below, and you can DM me on my Instagram account. I will going to mention my Instagram account on my description box. And yeah, these are the things what I want to say. And I'm so sorry I couldn't post video, please manage with it guys, you can understand. So yeah, these are the things. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because more this kind of videos are going to come. So without wasting your time, let's get into the video. So guys, I'm really very sorry because of that background sound. So whatever, at first I will going to use this rose toner to all over my face for make my skin hydrated. And then I will going to use this Alps Goodness aloe vera serum, which is very good, and it's also helps for primer, as a primer, and say used to set your makeup much better than that. Because at last video of Saraswati Puja makeup look also you had seen that I use that serum, rosehip serum. Using serum is very good. Then I will going to use this aloe vera gel of good vibes, and for moisturize my skin. So yeah, next I will going to use lip balm for make my lip hydrated and non-drying. This is purple lip balm. So then I will going to use this highlighter priming primer of Swiss Beauty, which will give you a shiny finish to your skin. You can see it will give a very good shine, very good sheen, which is not over much, which is not that bad or looking bad on your skin. Then I will going to use as famous as you know that Maybelline foundation. And then I will going to take beauty blender, and then I will going to apply to my skin. I took it very little amount, a very minimal or little amount for apply all over my skin, because as I told, I will going to make a very light makeup look. And I will going to apply all over my face, next area. Then I will going to apply this Swiss Beauty concealer, you know which one it is. I will going to name it in my description box also. And I guess you all know this one, this is that famous Swift concealer. So then I will going to blend it as well as I can for make a even finish. Then I will going to apply this concealer on my neck also, and blend it as well as I can. So guys, then I will going to use Lakme loose powder, or loose powder or face powder, what you can say. I will use it as a baking for my face. As well as I can, I will apply to my T-zone, then under eye, then cheeks, then forehead, these areas. So yeah, then I will going to dust off the excess loose powders from my face. Then next only I will going to move on to my eyeshadow look. I will going to wear something pinkish purplish kind of colored salwar. So I will going to take my beauty glazed eyeshadow palette and my eyeshadow brush. Then I will going to take something kind of beige color on my over my, I'm going to put that color on my crease line on my upper part of my eyes. You can see how I'm applying. You can see and apply that type only, that like that only. It's very easy, very, you will going to blend it as well as you can, because blended look makes your eye look more best and best. So next I'm going to take pinkish reddish kind of color and going to put that eyeshadow color on my inner part of my eyes. You can see how I'm applying it. I'm going to smudge it little bit on my eye, outside of my eyelid also. Then I'm going to take purple or violet kind of color and going to apply it on my outer part of my eyes, outer lid of my eyes, and blend it as well as I can. You can see how I'm applying it. You can understand that by watching or by seeing that how I'm applying that eyeshadow. Then I will going to take pencil brush and take the purple color or violet color on my brush. Then I am going to smudge it on my lower lash line. Then I will going to take eyebrow brush and brush it off. Then I will going to take the eyebrow pencil. I will going to set it little bit because I don't like more deep eyebrows. I like a normal natural eyebrows. Then I will going to take white kajal and apply on my inner waterline of my eyes, lower waterline of inner side. Then I'm going to take kajal, Maybelline kajal, and going to apply it on my outer part of my eyes and on my upper waterline also. Then I will going to smudge that black kajal little bit. Then I will going to apply shimmery shade on my inner corner of my eyes for looking my eyes more popping, more highlighting, more beautiful, more glam wala look. Then I'm going to apply eyeliner. Simple, I'm going to make a simple wing eyeliner, very easy, normal wala. And I love to highlight my eyes, make my eyes look good, and I use this shimmer shade on my inner corner on my eyes because these small things only can make your makeup look more gorgeous. By applying not much things, by these small things you can look awesome. Then I will going to take mascara. Then I will going to apply mascara on my upper eyelashes and lower eyelashes. Sorry guys for making different kind of faces. When I apply mascara, I used to make what I will say different kind of face. Then I am going to take Miss Clear face palette and going to take this bronzing or contouring color shade and going to simply normal contour on my face a little bit, a very light wala contour, not deep. I don't like very deep things, mean deep contour, deep eyebrows, these things. Then I am going to take pinkish kind of blush and going to apply on my cheeks and on my nose. I am obsessed with blush. Then I am going to take this highlighter. I will going to apply highlighter only on my nose bridge. Then I will going to take makeup fixer, Swiss Beauty makeup fixer, and going to spray all over my face and then blend it with beauty blender. Then lipstick, pink kind of lipstick, a deep pink kind of lipstick. I am going to mention that name on my description box. And this lipstick is of Naibe, I guess. Yes, it's from Naibe. Guys, I don't know how much good I am at voiceover, but I'm trying my best. Please guys, manage with it. I know you will manage. So guys, my makeup look is mostly completed. Then I will going to add one earpiece, big earpiece. I didn't wear any kind of piece necklace or neck piece because my salwar suit neck area is very heavy, so I wore something very light, my only earring and one nose pin. And if you want to wear something, some more jewelries or something different, you can add. It depends on you, and the makeup look is completed, and the makeup look is very easy, very simple, and you can see. So this is my final look for Eid. I guess you all will going to love it and like it. So yeah, this is my final look. So guys, this is my final look. A very simple, very easy makeup look which I told that only I give on my output. So this is my final look. I wore this salwar, this thing. So if you like my video, then don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And if you want this kind of more video, please suggest me on my comment box, and you can go to my Instagram account and DM me over there also. Whatever you want, you can say which kind of makeup look, which kind of videos do you want. You can recommend me. I will do that only. Please stay safe. Stay safe on this Eid, and celebrate Eid in your home and in your house with your families and friends. And yeah, these are the things what I have want to say. Love you all. Stay with me, love you all. And yeah, these are the things. Eid Mubarak. Stay happy, stay healthy, and wear mask. Always wear your mask and use sanitizer. So yeah, these are the things what I want to say. And yeah, these are the things. More videos are coming. Stay updated with me. I will going to make more videos. And yeah, without wasting your time, meet you to the next video. And at the end, Eid Mubarak. Stay safe, stay healthy. Celebrate this Eid as well as you all can in your home with your family and friends. So bye guys, meet you to the next video.